Hi, this is Rupal Gupta. Welcome back to mathematics classes. Today we will solve the remaining question of exercise 3.2, that is question number 4, 5 and 6. We will also learn how to find minimum and maximum interior angles possible in any sided regular polygon. In the same way, we will also find out the minimum and maximum exterior angles possible in regular polygon. Question number 4 is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? In this question, we need to find the number of sides. Remember that in the previous lecture, we have solved similar problem, but there we know the exterior angle. Here we know the interior angle. If you see in every polygon, the interior and exterior angle always makes a straight line, as it is shown here. So, if the interior angle is 165 degree, hence exterior angle would be equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree, that is 15 degree. Now, we know that number of sides equal to sum of exterior angles divided by each exterior angle. And after putting this exterior angle, we get 360 divided by 15, which is equal to 24. Thus, the regular polygon has 24 sides. Question number 5 is part A. It is possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree. Part B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? This type of similar question we have already solved during our lecture of interior angles of polygon. Kindly do watch it. The idea is that you have to find the number of sides, and if the sides is not a positive integer, then that polygon doesn't exist. For part A, exterior angle equal to 22 degree. Number of sides equal to sum of exterior angles divided by each exterior angle. So, number of sides equal to 360 divided by 22, that is 16.36. Now, we can't have regular polygon with each exterior angle as 22 degree, as it is not a positive integer but a decimal. We can have 16 sides or 17 sides, but we never have 16.36 sides. You can simply check if it is a divisor of 360 or not. Since it is not a divisor of 360, so this polygon doesn't exist. For part B, we have interior angle equal to 22 degree. So, exterior angle equal to 180 minus 22 degree, that is 158 degree. After putting this value in the formula, we get number of sides equal to 360 divided by 158, that is 2.27. No, we can't have regular polygon with each exterior angle as 158 degree, as it is not divisor of 360. Question number 6 has two parts. Part A. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? And part B. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? For part A, if we looked at this formula, each exterior angles equal to sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides. Also, exterior and interior angles are connected with this relationship. Interior angles equal to 180 minus exterior angles. Here, If you wanted to minimize or take the minimum interior angles, then we need to maximize or take the maximum of these exterior angles as shown here. Also, note that for that exterior angles, our polygon should exist. Means all the value for exterior angles should be a divisor of 360. And using this formula, we know that the sum of exterior angles is always 360 degrees. So, we will consider the minimum value for number of sides. As we decrease the number of sides, we get maximum value of exterior angles. If you do this carefully, you get a regular polygon with 3 sides for minimum value of interior angle. This, also known as equilateral triangle, will have the least possible minimum interior angle, since sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. Each interior angle equal to 180 divided by 3, that will be 60 degree. For part B, in the same way, here again we get the same equilateral triangle. As you have already seen that maximum exterior angle is possible with the regular polygon with least number of sides, which will be 3 sides. As this is the minimum sides that we can have for any polygon. Maximum each exterior angle possible equal to 360 degree divided by 3, that will be 120 degree. Can you answer this question? In which case the interior angle will be maximum? What is the maximum interior angle or minimum exterior angle is possible for a regular polygon? Why? You have already learned that the regular polygon with the least number of sides is the equilateral triangle, and each of its interior angles will be 60 degrees. And this is the minimum or least interior angle. Now, let us take a regular pentagon of 5 sides. Using angle sum property of polygon, sum of all the interior angles will be 5 minus 2 into 180, which will be equal to 540 degrees. And each interior angle would be 540 divided by 5 equal to 108. Each exterior angle would be 180 minus 108 degrees, that is 72 degree. Similarly, each interior angle in 10-sided regular polygon equal to 10 minus 2 into 180 by 10 equal to 144 degree. And each exterior angles will be 180 minus 144, that is 36 degree. You can calculate the same, first calculating its exterior angles and then its interior angles. Like each exterior angles in 10-sided regular polygon will be 360 divided by 10 equal to 36 degree, and its corresponding each interior angle will be 180 minus 36, that is 144 degree. Here, in this table, we have shown different sided regular polygon with its each interior and exterior angles. Here, you may think that this 360 sided regular polygon will have its each exterior angles as 1 degree and each interior angles as 179 degree. But we don't have any limit for the maximum interior angles, as you can further increase the number of sides, and with each extra side you get a smaller each exterior angle and maximum interior angles. So we can go on and on, but there is no limit for the maximum interior angles. As we have seen that There is no limit for the maximum interior angles. However, if you wanted a maximum non-decimal interior angle, that is, a positive integer interior angle, then the maximum possible interior angle would be 179 degree for a 360-sided polygon, with each exterior angle measures exactly 1 degree. Thank you for attending this lecture. Now, you might be able to find the each exterior and each interior angles in regular polygon of any sides. You can also get the idea of how to find minimum and maximum interior angles or exterior angles in any sided polygon. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Take care.